I'm Dr. Sahana Ramesh Tambat. I'm founder and managing director of Mangal Homeopathy and Research Center at Indiranagar, Bangalore. I'm having 1.5 decades of experience as a practicing homeopath. I'm specialized in Homeopathic Pediatrics and Dermatology and having seen about 2 lakh cases and treated them with homeopathy. What is the new remedy making so that your hair will grow super fine, thick and strong? Hello. Today we are discussing about what can homeopathy do best for your hair thinning. So let us begin to understand how hair grows. Okay? This is a microscope, and when we have a look at your hair follicle inside, we will see there are predominantly 3 types of stages present in hair growth. So one is the anagen phase, next is Catagen and telogen phase. Most of the time in our life, we will be going through either one of these 3 phases. Normally, most of the follicles on your scalp will be in anagen phase, okay, wherein about 90 to 95% of your hair follicles will be in a state of growth. By growth, I mean they are good, healthy, they are deep rooted, they are able to absorb the minerals from your blood, and they are able to see to it that they can repair whatever damage has happened across the shaft of your hair. In Catagen phase, which is also known as a resting phase, the degradation slowly starts. About 10% of the hair follicles in our scalp will be in this resting phase when they go on to become into the falling phase, the next phase which is. So all the hair follicle on your scalp, every single hair follicle goes through this stage. So when does the hair start becoming thinner? If you are having thin hairs, probably after any illness or after any diseases, probably after your pregnancy, these are the normal stages wherein the hair root can itself recover. There are some other disease condition which will usually be taking a lot of hair loss, which will come in terms of patches. That is entirely different. The hair diseases are itself in 40 different stages. Now let us talk about what happens when the hair starts becoming thinner. That is the topic of discussion today. So most of the growing hair shifts from the anagen phase to Catagen and telogen phase. In this phase, the hair is not able to absorb the nourishment from your body, and it is falling off with wear and tear of usages. It can be change of the shampoo, it can be using many straightening techniques or curling techniques, any kind of a hair treatment or spa. It can also be induced by any disease condition, anti-epileptic drugs. It can also be because of withdrawal of so many other hair treatments. So this thinning as a overall, it will look to you as if the hair is lifeless, lusterless, it doesn't have that bounce in your head. So how does homeopathy help you? So you are come for the right place if you are looking for homeopathy. So will I get hair like a Rapunzel? Will it be strong? Will it become thicker? No. So what genetically you are born with is what you get in the end of the day. But there is a good news. If the follicle is present in your scalp, we have so many beautiful techniques. Along with homeopathy, we can definitely help to tap it out and get back into the growing potential. So where does homeopathy play this significant role? Primarily is to improve the absorption from your body. Whatever concoction you may have, many patients I meet would already have a report of serum ferritin or already taking saw palmitate or improving in the protein intake in the body, but yet the hair doesn't become thicker or the hair remains the same is because there is lack of absorption. The thinning usually occurs because of dihydrotestosterone which is present at the hair follicle, which competes with the nutrition what you eat. So this is effectively removed, the sensitization is effectively removed because of the homeopathic medicine. So is there a secret medicine or there is a gold standard medicine which will help you to immediately take out that from your body? It is not there. So this is where homeopathy is tailor-made for you. It is very specific for your need. Once that is understood, so many other medicines or food, whatever you are taking, will be finally able to reach your hair follicle, and the hair growth or hair regrowth, hair nourishment, hair repair and recovery will happen because of that. There are so many other medicines which are mixed in terms of the hair care products like Tuja, Jabarindi, Calendula, which are present in shampoos or oils in various forms. These are also easily available. This is the best resort to go than going into the chemicals of the shampoos which you cannot even produce or pronounce. The more difficulty in pronouncing the name, the more bad it is for your hair, right? So homeopathy works miraculously when what you eat and what you apply are similar. So the body doesn't have to take care of the wear and tear damage happens because of the external factors. Okay, so there are beautiful medicines like Lycopodium, Silesia, Tuja, which have shown effective results. More so, especially the post-vaccination hair fall, which was very rampant for a couple of months after the vaccination was taken. So homeopathy is definitely very helpful, and a combination of the therapies which is taken in an appropriate manner is going to be helpful for you.